How often do you have conversations about living healthy? Do you obsess about food and only eat what you think is the healthiest option? How often do you exercise? Do you have a self-care routine? Do you consider yourself a healthy person? In today's video, we list affirmative statements that support optimal health for each of the 6 aspects of one's lifestyle. The more statements you have a positive response to, the healthier you should be in that aspect. If you find that you are responding negatively or are not able to affirm most of the statements in an aspect of lifestyle, it is an indicator that you should take action to address those items. That should bring you back on track to achieving a balanced lifestyle. If you missed our last video on a well-balanced lifestyle, check it out on our channel to understand how these 6 aspects impact your life and wellness. Physical health. I eat a healthy, balanced diet. I avoid excess fat, sugar, or salt. I make sure I get enough fiber and vitamins. During my usual day, I am physically active. During my usual day, I take time to stretch and relax. I exercise at least once a week. Once I get to bed, I fall asleep easily. I have a checkup exam at least once every 3 years. My weight is within the normal range. Financial health. I am capable of balancing my budget. My income each month is higher than my outgoings. I am passionate about work and look forward to it. I have clear career goals and I know how I'm going to achieve them. I have enough money to enjoy my free time and do things I want to do. I have an emergency fund with enough money to cover at least 3 months of expenses. I have a retirement fund and contribute to it regularly. Social health. I am satisfied with my relationships. My children are happy and content most of the time. I have a close relationship with my family. I remember my friends' birthdays and enjoy celebrating with them. I don't feel embarrassed by my home if someone shows up unexpectedly. I make time to see or talk to my friends regularly. Emotional health. I feel good about myself and have confidence in myself. I feel that my life is balanced. I often spend time helping others. I feel at peace with decisions I have made in the past. Although I get upset sometimes, I don't let my emotions control me. I am satisfied with the way I spend my leisure time. Spiritual health. I regularly take time to connect with my personal faith. I am inspired by the world around me to be a better person. I have a strong sense of purpose in my life. I spend time exploring my personal faith to strengthen it. Mental health. I regularly use relaxation techniques to reduce stress in my life. I feel safe and secure in my home. I am reaching my full potential. I don't normally lose things like keys, cell phone, or purse. I don't feel overwhelmed and feel like I have enough time to accomplish all my tasks. My home is tidy and organized most of the time. I like learning new things. Subscribe to our channel to learn more about health and wellness. Share this video to a loved one to help them achieve holistic wellness. Thanks for watching.